planning and preparation prevents poor performance. I live by that. Let's go. Run in the drill.
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT. And today, you know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. I told y'all I was coming back. Krispy Kreme line was not that long, y'all. This time. So I got the... I don't think I know how to open it. Oh. I got the Twix. The Twix thingy. The Twix donut. I got the long one. Pause. And I got the regular one. There we go. So, hold on. Let me see, y'all. Let me see. This the regular one. There we go. All right, let's try it. You know what? I'm gonna be all the way 100 with y'all about this. Hold on though. And they got it on top of a glazed donut. Hold on. Drizzle with caramel. Hold on, this is my thing. Hold on. I don't know what that is. Shooting out the middle of that thing. But whatever that is, that's my thing right there. Hold on, let me tell you. Hold on, y'all, for real, for real. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Y'all, that was... I'm gonna be honest. On the initial bite, my taste buds didn't know what to think about that, right? But as I kept going, my taste buds was having a... I can't say it because this show is PG-13, but my taste buds was just having a frenzy. You know, all up and through my mouth. It was just, it was a good time. You know, it was a good time. So I gotta get down for that. Now this one right here, y'all, this is not a glazed donut. But I did hear hold on. Hold on. There you go. It got a whole Twix on the inside. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. To me, this is just to me now. The one I just ate, that one, disgusting. That's a no-go. Now the first one I had, was magically delicious. It was something special. But I don't know if y'all knew or not, but KinggEATEAT got merch now. Get your face mask. The number's right there. A lot of y'all saying the number was too small. But now it's right here and it's big. Text this number to get your mask. They are adjustable. They're $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Somebody stop him. I don't know who that is. They're watching me talk to y'all. Please keep going. I don't want any problems. I don't want no smoke. Thank you. So y'all, I did the McDonald's Big Mac, Chicken Big Mac. Then I did the butterfly shrimp 70-year anniversary from Church's. Then I just did the Krispy Kreme Twix Donut. Okay, so let me judge you. Let me put these in order. They pretty much went in the order that I did them in. That chicken, y'all, that was a real hack right there. McDonald's want to do a hack. That shouldn't even be a hack. Put that on the menu. Put that on the menu. That chicken Big Mac should be on McDonald's menu. Period. That's number 1. 10 out of 10. Most definitely gonna try again. Number 2. It ain't in the order it was. Because number 2, I'm gonna have to go with the first circle Twix donut. The circle one. Not this long one with the twist stuffed in the middle. That's trash. The circle joints that's on the glazed donut, the OG donut, go with that. You got some kind of creamy stuff in the middle. Man, go with that one. That's my second place. And of course my third place is gonna be Church's. Trash. Butterfly shrimp, trash. I don't know what kind of dough they frying it in, what kind of batter they using. No. The best thing I got from out of that meal was the donut, of course. I mean the biscuit, of course, and that new strawberry lemonade they got. Other than that, trash. Macaroni, it's mac. What can I say? But that's it. That's a review, y'all. Like I said, I know a lot of my reviews be late, but hey, better late than never. Your boy is here. I love y'all. But like I said, anybody who forgot, your boy do got merch now. Support the EE family. They $10. A lot of y'all, they are adjustable. A lot of y'all was saying y'all can see the number, so there you go right there. I hope it's big enough for y'all to see it. Text that number. We'll get you in. Like I said, they $10. A lot of y'all was saying y'all didn't know how much they were. They $10. I love y'all. If ain't nobody told you yesterday I love you, if ain't nobody tell you today I love you. All my E's out there. EE. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.
KinggEATEAT.